Hi everyone, welcome to the Ultimate Calculus Guide. In this series, we explore limits, derivatives, and integrals step by step, like a dictionary of rules. And each lesson of this series focuses on a group of related functions. In this lesson, we will explore taking derivatives using product rule, and I'll prove it to you using limits. We know that if we have a product of two functions f of x and gx, the derivative of this product is f prime of x gx plus g prime of x f of x. But now we will prove it using using limits. Let's say d dx dx f of x times f of x times g of x. We know that limit definition of a function, if f of x is our function, the f prime of x is equal to limit as h goes to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x over h. And this is the limit definition of derivative. So our function here is f of x times g of x. If we use this limit definition for the function f of x times g of x, then we should write that limit as h goes to 0, f of x plus h times g of x plus h minus f of x times g of x over h. Here I will add and subtract f of x plus h times g of x here. And then the function becomes limit as h goes to 0, f of x plus h times g of x plus h, and minus f of x plus h times g of x, and plus f of x plus h times g of x. And we will write this part again. This is minus f of x times g of x over h. In here, I will write this part and this part separately. Limit of as h goes to 0, f of x plus h times g of x plus h, and minus f of x plus h times g of x. I'm writing this part times g of x over h, and plus this part f of x plus h times g of x minus f of x times g of x over h. Okay, and we have here f of x plus h and f of x plus h here, and we have here g of x. Then we can write this part, this limit, as f of x plus h times g of x plus h minus g of x over h, and plus, let's take g of x outside, and this is g of x times f of x plus h minus f of x over h. As you can see here, this is as limit h goes to 0. This part will go to f of x. And as h goes to 0, this part is g prime of x times g prime of x. And plus, as h goes to 0, this is g of x again. And this part is here. And this is the definition of f prime of x. So this is equal to f prime of x. So the proof is completed. See you in the next video.